And I get it's like a nice place to rent, and this area is so huge. Like, look at this view. This view is so gorgeous. Look at the view. Like, you can just sit here and you can just see the sea over there. It's so nice. I did to do a little walk around, and I wanted to show you guys what this beautiful park looks like. It's a huge place, so I would not be able to show you every single thing, but it's so nice and peaceful and calm. And I wish we had parks like this in Canada with the similar structure and the way it is set up, but it's so nice. And the parking lot is so huge. Like, this entire area is the parking lot, and it's just so nice. And back there is like a walking area, and this entire area is a forested area, and everything is so tidy and clean. And there's a lot of birds. Look, there's a bird right there. There's a lot of birds here, but you can come here with your family. As you see, you can come and cook. You can have a picnic. They have the grill here. You can come cook here on this, and they have all these picnic benches. There's one picnic bench here. Then over on the other side, they have, hello birdie, hello birdie, hello birdie, hello birdie. So over here they have recycling, and everything is so clean and tidy. And they have like big, whoa, it's a whole bunch of wasp over there, guys. Look, it's just swarming with wasp, black wasp. These are very dangerous wasp, and if they bite you, if a bunch of them bite you, they can trigger an allergic reaction. I know them from my countryside property. But anyways, there's a lot of benches that you can sit on here. So these are all picnic benches, and there's a lot of black wasp. They bite. So there's another one here, and then there's double. So there's double cooking. How you call it? How you call these things? These are double grill. Let me show you double grill. So this is the double grill, right? So if you want to have like a family picnic and you have lots of food and stuff, you can come here, and there's a nice bench right here, and there's others all the way up there that you've seen over there is all benches and places to cook. Every bench, it has one of these, as you can see, every bench. And guys, look at this amazing tree. It's so huge. Oh my goodness, it is amazing. Look at this amazing tree. Like, this tree is over 100 years old. Wow, this is super. I gotta take a photo with this tree. This tree is amazing. It's amazing. Such a big tree. Wow. This is a super duper big tree. Yeah, so this is a really nice area, and then you have a lot of trees here. There's another tree over there. See, there's a lot of shade. So if you come here with your family, you can have a really great time over here. And then there's a gate on the end over here, if you look, so you can walk. Okay, there's like a trail on there you can walk, and this is a lovely hill. You can go up this hill, so you can walk up this hill, and at the top of this hill is the park. The park is over there, and you can picnic, and they have these huge trees that people are picnicking under. And then there's this area here where I'm walking at the top. Now you can see I am walking, and at the bottom there's the same little road here, so you can walk. It's really nice. Look at the area. Oops. See the area? Okay, and you can continue walking all the way down, and if you continue walking, but I want to show you guys, so we came to this area and this is like a reserved area. Wow, it is so beautiful. Look at that. You can play volleyball here. They have this beautiful volleyball net. Wow. And you can come play volleyball here, and then you can go over here. There has a pavilion over here, and you can rent this space out for family, and you can come and eat in here, I guess. Yep, look at that. This is so nice. Wow. So this is like a tent. Wow, this is really nice. So this is a nice tent area, and you can rent this area. Let me see if I can stick my camera somewhere. Okay, all right. So this is a tent area, and you can rent this tent area for get together, and you can have like a family area, or if you're having like a wedding or something like that, this is like a nice place to rent. And this area is so huge. Like, look at this view. This view is so gorgeous. Look at the view. Like, you can just sit here and you can just see the sea over there. It's so nice. Very, very nice. And this is an excellent place of a wedding, you know. You can have your wedding here, have your reception, everything is covered in case it's rain or something like that. This is so nice. And look at the view. Look at the beach. The beach is right there. So that could be an amazing place to have a wedding. Oops. Whoops. I stick my camera in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're in this little tenty thing, right? And the way they set it up is so nice. Let me show you guys. So this is the inside. It's so nice in here. All your guests, you can set up your table the way you want it. And then over here they have this grill, and they have recycling over there. This nice recycling, again, recycling and garbage. And then they have like a serving area here, so you can serve people. This can be the bar area where you put food, and people, you can serve people here. I think I'm gonna have to copy this style. I like this serving area. I am just gonna have to copy this. This is so great. This is amazing. I like the setup. And then you have the double grill here, again, where you're gonna grill, and have a next smaller grill here. And then this is a place where you can put all your recycling and stuff here. I like how they set that up. And the bins are huge, right? They have these huge bins there. And then this is a little forest path, like where you can walk, I guess. You can take the guests through this path, and I guess you can take photographs here. You can walk through here and you can take photographs in this area. This is so lovely. This is gorgeous. And there's bathrooms here. There is bathrooms. How lovely is that? So it's a really, really nice area. Look at this. Now this is so gorgeous. I love this place. It's so nice. You see the bathroom, and there's even a garbage bin right here. See the bathrooms? Whoa, the bathrooms are pretty clean. Yep. So guys, this is a tour of the place that we are presently at. We are going to head out to town to do some shopping with my family. We may have some ice cream and just kind of call it a afternoon. So guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope this video was hope this video was enjoyable to you guys. I hope you like the spot. And this place here has camping, and in that area there's camping on this side. There's some houses, like you can camp on the lake over there. So there's some cabins on this side you can camp in, and there's also a few camping area. But on the other side we have to drive like a 7 minutes drive. There is huge camping area. The other side there's a huge camping area, and we have camped on the other side before, and the camping areas are splendid, guys. It's splendid. They keep it just how you're seeing here. It's clean, it's very clean, and the areas are very big. Like the camping section itself is very big, and it's very cheap. I think it's about $20 or less than $20 to camp here, but it's very cheap. I don't know, every year I think it's sometimes they're different prices, sometimes it's cheaper. I don't know, we didn't check yet, but we're gonna go and check after. And on the other side they have like a huge area where they have some exhibits, and you can go see different animals and different things like that. And then further on the other side there's a nice beach. Like it's very rocky and it's very nice, but I don't have time right now because we're heading out to shop, and we're going to be going to another area. So we're gonna leave very soon because the beach here is closed, so everybody's kind of packing up. But it's a really nice area, and if you guys get a chance to come camp here, it would be amazing. You guys would just love it. So anyways, I'm gonna head back to the vehicle because I was just giving my kids a chance to change their clothes. I just wanted to do the video for you guys. But look at that, there's so much grapes over here. Look at the grapes. Ooh, it's a lot of grapes. Wow, lots of grapes happening here. Wow, look at this amount of wild grapes. Wow. There's gonna be a lot of wild grapes here. Wow, amazing. Okay guys, this is beautiful, amazing place, and so I love it out here, and every opportunity we get to come out here to camp, we come. So yeah, thanks for watching. You guys, if you're living in Canada, if you live in the US, please go outside and enjoy life. There's so much things to see in this world, so much places to enjoy. Go outside and enjoy. I'm always amazed when I come to the US at how cheap the camping and the parks are. Like in this place that we are right here, you can get like a yearly pass for less than $100. Like no, less than $60. A yearly pass, a whole year to camp, summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Like if I was living in the States, I would definitely come here and camp. Like I'll take the package, but we don't really come here like so much. But if we come here a lot, I would definitely take the package. So guys, thanks for watching. Enough chatting. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao, my loves. Remember to stay positive. Bye. Mwah, mwah.